packed up our memories, left fear behind. A brand new chapter, a simple life, with the open road and the morning sun. Our wandering Oz adventure has begun. We're wandering Oz, chasing the sky, following roads where the sun sets light.
Good morning.
Morning, guys.
Sunday the 14th of June, and we're just waiting for the bus.
Head to Thailand.
For our
Honeymoon.
Beautiful cold. No, it's not too cold.
Oh, it's lovely. Lovely. It's t-shirt weather.
Wouldn't go that far. Yeah, so we're just going to wait for the bus and then head off into the airport, and we'll see you there. Bye.
Bye. Here we go.
I got my head in the clouds so high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. Rules were made for someone else to try, but not me, not me. Ooh, they said slow down, son, take your time, but I was born running every stop sign. Sky is the limit, no chance to hold.
Hey guys, we're in the plane ready to take off for a honeymoon. Okay.
Pretty cool. Start a strip already.
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Never the same. Whenever you're calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand. I know you always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
So, just arrived in Phuket.
Just here in Phuket.
Waiting
Nice and hot already.
Yeah, I'm waiting for our transport.
Take us to the hotel. And then
Oh,
swim
no.
and
Beer time.
beer
time. Thanks.
And then
Oh,
more beer later.
and maybe some really yummy tea.
Yeah, and then more beer.
and a massage because my feet are really sore from yesterday.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, we got married yesterday.
Yeah, we did. Compliments added to the bottom screen would go really well. Thanks. And like the page. That's our wedding gift.
Yeah. Like
That-
and subscribe. That'd be great.
Awesome. Thank you. See you guys.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO, babe. I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Till the sun's up Monday, we'll tell our phones, do not disturb. I got my straw hat, babe. And you can finally pull the tags on your Tommy Bahama shirt. Blue crush up on the 85-inch sound machine. When we wanna hear the ocean, I think everything we need is right here. And there ain't a palm tree in sight, but there's not a cloud in your blue eyes. If we need a drink, I'll be the bartender. I got a fifth of Patron and a blender, baby. Slipping on a swimsuit is overrated. We don't need a beach to get a half naked. Life's too short, let's not waste it. Cause paradise is wherever we make it. Paradise is wherever we make it. Oh, this view of you, it's got everything I need. Yeah, the rooms, they're cheap. And if we don't want to, we don't ever, ever, ever have to leave.
All right, let's go in.
Wow.
That's handy, but oh my feet. I just guess we go straight in, eh? Oh, cool in here. Wow. Lovely. He's got the cards. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's a bit nice, isn't it?
It's a bit nice. Ah, it's all good.
Nice big shower. Go, look what we've got, honey.
Oh, beautiful.
Nice big bath.
Bath song.
I was a plane crashing.
G'day.
Where are we?
We're in Thailand, Phuket. Let's go where a little bit further. Graceland Spa and Resort. Right now, it's time to get something to eat. We haven't had time to change any money because I was listening to the wife. But anyway,
So basically what he's saying is we're tired, we're hungover, and that's our excuse. So we've just come down to the Sunset Beer Cafe, getting a couple of beers, and
you know what they say about the best way to cure a hangover?
Hair of the dog.
No, stay drunk.
Ah.
So yeah, it's time to have a couple of beers.
So this is, I'll do a bit of a panoramic. So this is our view. I suppose you can't really see because of the trees, but we've got some lovely water here, and we've got some outdoor seating. Pretty amazing. Catch you.
G'day. Cheers.
Cheers. What beer did we get? The Chang. Was
Chang.
it Chang? Chang beer?
Chang.
What's it like?
Two makes a ka-chang.
Ka-ching? Ka-chang?
Yeah.
Not a
Ka-chang.
ka-ching, not a ka-ching, but a
No,
so
ka-ching,
it's not a ka-ching, it's a ka-chang.
Ka-chang.
Ka-chang. What do you think of it?
It's nice. I find it, hang on, has my palate again. Very soft. It hasn't got any back taste in the throat, so it goes down like a soft drink.
Oh.
It's a little bit stronger than a soft drink.
Oh, okay. Oh, that is nice, isn't it? All right, we're going to go have some beer.
More beer.
Pouring now.
What were you doing, Lisa?
I was posting to Facebook.
So instead of relaxing, you're sitting on your phone.
No, I'm sharing. I'm sharing the good news with family. Look,
Sharing's caring.
Lisa's nice, absolutely pouring down here today.
Ah, well.
Tough for some.
Tough for some, hard life for some.
Absolutely.
Bye.
Cheers.
Tell it. What do we got?
Chicken satay sticks and waffle fries.
Oh, that's to start us off for tonight.
Yep,
And then we're going to keep going, aren't we, love?
absolutely.
Speak to you later.
So for dinner,
Beef masama. Oh, and it looks good. Anyway,
oh,
only thing is, it's only mild. It's not hot. So we'll wait and see.
didn't you ask for a hot?
No, I asked them how they made it. She goes mild.
Oh,
Okay, so we'll wait and see what mild is like.
I thought you asked for hot. Okay,
We'll see.
we will. Okay, taste test.
Taste test.
Taste test. First bite.
That is great.
Well, this is why.
Hot. I could have done it with probably got a bit more heat to it, but I like hot food. That is incredible.
This is why we came to Thailand.
Yeah.
All right. I'll leave you to finish your meal.
Thank you. Hey.
We might sign off for today. We're very tired, as we said earlier. We're going to finish our dinner and have an early night. Catch you tomorrow. Bye.